Okay, hi, my name is William Gates and this is Calling Home, excuse me, the merchant service provider. And this video is going to be about our financial profile. Now, our financial profile is just one of the services that we offer in our basic business plan package, which is $199 a month. Is all inclusive of every service, not every service, but it's all inclusive of business production services that we're currently involved in right now that affords you the opportunity to become productive immediately and to relieve some of the marketing stresses that you may have that we might be able to take over for you. So into the financial profile. The financial profile is our business profile for customers, individuals, and affiliates who are in the beginning stages of developing business, in the small business phases of business production, or are in the company corporate phases of their business. And we offer you this profile, which allows you contact directly with our lenders, business lenders, and business creditors. Now, the financial profile is free, and it also includes, but it's usually part of another service. But it's a profile where you can, like I said, you have direct contact with our lenders, but you are also allowed to develop a portfolio over time that with our services, when we develop a plan, we combine it with our services and be proactive over time, then you develop a financial profile that you can present to our creditors and lenders and get you over 95% of potential approval for business capital, financial loans, personal and business, and you're guaranteed that you'll get the best rates, the best paybacks, the extended periods, the grace periods, the time that you need to pay it back. You have, I think it starts at 10,000 as a minimum and 500,000 as a maximum as far as a business loan, and you have access to the creditors to develop the business credit or to receive the business capital. And this is a financial profile, so depending on what your approach is, should it be business, then you can develop that over time. Should it be independent, then we can show you how with the combination of the services that we have. Should you need products to sell, we have the inventory files for you and the products for you to purchase. Should you need platforms to sell on after you purchase the items or you have the items, we have that service for you. Should you need the protection in dispute of or claims against your business during the time of production, then we have that service for you. Should your identity of your service or personally become compromised over the time of development, then we have that service to aid in the protection of or the reconciliation of those situations at the time, which are all affordable. And we also have the services to generate the production, the video services should you need to market online. We have the ability to get your content paid for, get your videos in front of thousands, if not millions of viewers. The social outlets and the verbal outlets that allow you to post content, which also draws in viewers. The best part about it is that you don't actually have to create the profiles yourself. The channels are already pre-created, and you're allowed the use of the channels as a partnering of services. So the financial profile is just the development of your business, of your brand, of your content, of your services, and you have the opportunity to get affordable services for your business production should you need it. Digital design, business cards, clothes, t-shirts, hats, brands, anything that logos, anything that you need to help with your business to become productive or to get your image out and in front of people or potential customers, then we help you in that fashion. And this financial profile develops over time to where when it does come time where you feel like you have a step you need to take but you cannot afford it, the opportunity is there for you to receive a max of $500,000 on a loan and only have to pay back 12 cents per dollar on that loan over 36 months. So you'd be paying back essentially $560,000 on a $500,000 loan versus going to another loan company or going to a loan company with an undeveloped profile and having you receiving a $500,000 loan but having to pay back $1 million or $1,200,000 on a return because of the interest rates, because of the undeveloped profile, or just because it's very, very hard to receive loans for small businesses. Today it's just not something that is something you can easily receive. It's almost like applying for a grant to get a loan. So the financial profile ensures that you are able to get the money that you need when you need it, along with a number of other services. And we also offer our services to get you to where you need to go to get the things that you need. Thank you again for joining us. My name is William Gates, and this is